Hi!
It's us again. Guys, what are we going to do today?
We're gonna dip we're gonna dip strawberry into the chocolate and eat it. And here's the chocolate.
Yeah? Yay! Yeah, we're going to make some chocolate covered strawberries. I know you have seen them at a store, but we're going to make perfectly shaped strawberries.
How?
How? Yeah, how? So I made some samples so that you have an idea. And look at this. The bottom part is flat, right? Because I used parchment paper to place the strawberry on like this. And they got flat.
Can eat it.
I don't like that. But this one was perfectly round, right?
Oh, so
That's
you poke
pretty.
it? So you poke it?
Yes. That's our secret. So to do this, we need some toothpick and a box.
Oh, I see the holes right here.
Mm-hmm.
Can I eat
Yeah,
it?
this is our secret. Yeah, you can try.
Okay.
Hmm?
Really good.
Try.
Yay! Try. So to make chocolate covered strawberry, what do we need?
Chocolate.
Chocolate
Toothpick.
Toothpicks.
and
In the
strawberry in a box. And I bought some pine berries.
Pine berry.
Aren't they cute? They're really cute.
And these I put.
I washed and dried the strawberry
Yay.
before, and now we're going to
Poke them.
stick a
Give me
Into the
toothpick in
bottom.
the center of the strawberry.
Okay, let me
Like
try.
this.
I want to do one. Can I do
Gently,
one? Can I
like
do
this.
Wait,
Yeah.
Just say gently.
That's okay. That's good.
Ooh.
Yeah,
So should I put it over?
like
The
this.
biggest one.
I'm gonna do the biggest one.
So we got all the sticks, toothpick, into the strawberry. They're ready. And now, I have a box.
Now
This
we're
toothpick.
poke it.
Yeah, poke it slightly. Don't push all the way down. Okay, just So I recommend a small cup like this instead of a big bowl, so you don't have to move around the bowl to get the chocolate on the strawberry. So this cup will do. This is my kid's cup. So let's dip strawberry. we placed strawberry in the box. Now this will go to the fridge, maybe for half an hour, and then we'll see. Hey guys, look!
Yeah, we made it.
Yay! Isn't it pretty?
Yeah.
Yeah. You guys wanna try?
Yeah.
Yes. Which one do you want?
It's really good.
Look. So did you enjoy our video? Then give us a thumbs up please, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Yeah.
And bye. Happy Valentine's Day.
Yay.
Oh, he wasn't recording.